If your Apple Watch screen isn't working, don't worry. You can still navigate it using your iPhone, and in this quick guide, I will show you how. You just need both your iPhone and your Apple Watch for this to work. But before we show you the process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. Then, scroll down again until you find the option called Apple Watch Mirroring. Turn it on. Once enabled, whatever you see on your Apple Watch screen will also appear on your iPhone screen. This means you can access and control your Apple Watch right from your iPhone. If you place the devices side by side, it will look like both screens are perfectly synchronized. You can control your Apple Watch by touching the watch itself or by using the mirrored screen on your iPhone. You can open menus, use apps like the calculator, and everything updates in real time on both screens. So, even if your Apple Watch screen isn't working, you can easily navigate it using your iPhone thanks to Apple Watch mirroring. That's it. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.